bandada.
Hey, that's beautiful. I'm sorry I put you in trouble, but it has to do with life, about, ¿cómo fue de la gaviota? ¿Qué pasó?
The life and home and the home.
Yeah,
¿Y qué pasó con la gaviota?
La gaviota, well, see, all the gaviotas, they start flying away, you know, in the evening. It looks, it's como una franja temblorosa, looks like going behind.
Like, you know, when they go like, how you say that is?
A flock. A flock of,
yes.
yeah,
flock, there you go.
a flock of seagulls.
Yes.
Yeah. So in the back, very far away, atrás, muy lejos, sigue una gaviota, since another one, que con gas y pertinaz anhelo va de la soledad buscando el cielo.
She goes, she's flying all by herself, looking for the sky.
For this, to reach the other one who go far away.
Yeah, but
Oh, she's trying to catch up with the other ones.
Oh, to catch up with the other one.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
de la tarde surgió la casta estrella. In
At-
the evenings come
At the evening comes
found the
the
star,
rising of the stars.
the star, and found always volando, no?
And always
Flying,
found someone flying
flying.
behind the atrás de la mano.
Behind,
Like following each
behind
other,
the flock.
you know, they follow
band,
each other.
and always found one flying behind the band of the others.
Right.
Like there was always one looking for the flock.
Okay.
And that is the history of his life, was this one who represents the last Gaviota.
And that's the continuance of life. It represents the continuance of life, one always following the other.
So that is his life concerned that the Gaviota flying close to trees, to live, to encontrar,
To find.
to find the other Gaviotas.
Right.
She flies and flies to them.
Yeah.
So his life.
All right. Good.
Thank you. Muy bonito, Tina.
All right.
Gracias. ¿Alguien más que quiera recitar?